O, szedzi mi też. Nice. There we go. I don't know, pike chyba. O, poszedł. Nie, szedzi. Nice. All in one pike. Nice northern. Nice. First bite out of the day. Not a bad northern. Probably a 26, 27 incher. Kept one yesterday, so we'll release this beauty. So hopefully we get a 30-inch plus. Not a bad start. There she goes. Nice little pike, snot rocket. Nice little snot rocket right by the bank. Nice little action here. Hopefully you get a big one. Let's get a nice release on her. Kicked off strong. Right by the bank right here. I mean, na tej co nie bierze, to na większy wtedy bierze. Gościu też chyba już nie bierze, white bez nie mówi, nie? Nie ciągnął już white bezy, nie? O, tak? There we go, guys. I just tossed it out there. And another one. Nie. O! Ale duży! It's a nice giant bowfin, guys, trophy. 2 tosses in about 3 minutes and 2 fish. This is a giant. Yeah, it's a bowfin. They're catfish. It's fighting like a catfish, dead weight. This is a giant bowfin. Yeah, szczupak! Monster! Monster szczupak! Oh yeah. It's a nice northern, guys. Yeah. Oh my god. That's a 30 plus. Oh god. Oh, that's a nice pike, guys. Oh my god. Zaraz. Ale nice pike. Zaraz, Jarek. Na dół, więcej na dół. Oh, there we go. 36 incher, giant. Gonna release this awesome brute. What a nice fight to him. Monster fight. Monster northern pike here in Wisconsin on the river. Small little creek by the dam. And I absolutely smoked the shiner. I just tossed it in, got a bowfin. 2 minutes later, tossed in the shiner again. And he instantly took it. Almost got my rod in the water. Awesome fight, awesome jumps, and a beautiful girthy 36.5-inch northern pike. That's a monster. Let's get the beautiful release on this stud. Awesome genetics. Awesome genetics in this fish. Hopefully she produces some amazing babies. Awesome, beautiful fish. Monster of the creek. What a beauty. Gotta release them though, because they build up that lactic acid in them when they fight for a long time. What a monster. That's what fishing's about, guys. Some days you got slow days, and others you got monsters. It's kicking. We'll go eventually. That's my fish of the year. Slowly building up the energy. Look at those beautiful colors and pattern on her. There she goes. See ya. There we go. Nie wiem, co to catfish. Nie, dogfish chyba. Got a nice bowfin. Spawning colors. Nice fight. Beautiful green colors. Prehistoric bowfin. Awesome fight to this fish. Beautiful green belly, spawning male. Look at that beautiful tail. Oop. Sloppy release, but there it goes. Nice fish. What is that for? Shouldn't mind me. No. Oh. Shut you. Yeah. There we go. Nice. What is it, walleye? Oh no, Pike. There we go, another pistol. Not the 28-incher on the Ned rig. Going after bowfin, but take a little pistol, snot rocked it. Beautiful, beautiful pike. Nice release on him. Hopefully he grows to be a beast. There he goes. No. Ostatnio miałem szybkie efekty na to. Mówię, że mają to. No. Yeah. Nice. O, duży. Nie wiem, coś dużego. Nice fish, guys. Albo bowfin, albo catfish. O, nie wiem. Czy to bez? No. Bez chyba to jest. Bez to jest. Nie, bowfin. Nie wiem. Ja. Ale mówiłem ci, że na to instant action. Tossed it, 5 seconds, boom. Smoked it. This guy's put some nice fights and runs. Looks like a catfish. There she goes. Siedzi. Tak. Zrób mu gościowi zdjęcie, bo są zdjęcia. Ładne, ładne, duże. Nie wiem. Głową rusza. Duże. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh, is that a pike? Yeah. All ładny. Ładny. Bierz, podbiera. Awesome pike, guys. Awesome. Oh no, bowfin, bowfin. Yeah. Another green spawning bowfin. I'll take it. Fun. Oh yeah. There we go. Nice little bowfin. Let's get a release on him. Fun little fish to catch when the northerns aren't biting. Multi-species fishermen will always take these guys. Beautiful, beautiful fish. And nice fighters. There he goes. No. Co myślisz? Bowfin, bo szczupak kiedy bierze? Trochę mniejsze. Bez. Ja. Pa, white bed. Nie, sheephead. Red's on one Pierwsza ryba? Walley? O nie. Nice little northern snot rock. Yeah. Ale mniejsze. Bowfin. A. O! Pan chce ciągnąć? Another bowfin, fish after fish. Nice little release. Chyba nie wiem czy nie ma właśnie. Nie. Same glony. O mam no. Trzeci. Ale nie... Tak. Pa, co to? No. Ja nie wiem czy to catfish właśnie. Nie, bowfin. Nie, bowfin. A. Nice little bowfin. Big one. Beautiful colors on it. There he goes.